So everybody needs to maximize space and organize, and WishJazz has the perfect solution for you. This is a 6-tier over-the-door storage system, and this literally takes 1 minute to set up and assemble. Of course, it comes with a nice little card, thank you card, and they're looking for any suggestions. If you have any kind of ideas for future products, let them know. Kind of cool to see that. And of course, you're going to get the main unit, and all you have to do with this guy is just unfold it. You can see here's the bottom, and here's the top. And of course, there's 2 grommets here, and there's a couple hooks that go in here, and that hangs over your door. And these are all the little shelving units. And what's nice about these, you can see it's got a nice mesh, so you can kind of see what's in each shelf. And it kind of lets some air flow through there too. And the only thing you really have to assemble on this, that comes with some little bases, and you just kind of stuff them in here like that. In each shelving unit, so there's about 6 of them. And that's it. And then you got your little storage area. So you hang this up over the door, and lots of room. And what I like about this is that it's nice in the see-through mesh. And this is also great if you're putting like shampoo or something in here. It kind of lets the air flow through it, keep things dry, and help things dry out a lot faster. And of course, you're going to get the hooks. There's 2 hooks. You put them through the loops, hang it over your door, and you're done. It's that simple. How cool is that? What a great solution. I'll tell you, so I'm going to go put this in the door, and we're going to be right back and take a look at it. And here it is all installed. You can see up here the little hooks that hang over the door, on the top of the door. That's how it hangs over the door. 6 storage units on here, 6 tiers, and plenty of space. You can see the height, they're nice and high. You can get a lot of stuff in there. You can see through the bottom and of course over the top. I really like this. This would be great for like a pantry or a nursery. I think most people that have a nursery would love to have this because you can put things that are easy to get to or that you need right away right up in front. And who doesn't have an open door? You can use the space for your door for even more storage. So if your closet's full, another storage option right here. So check out the WishJazz. Fantastic storage. This is the over-the-door 6-tier storage unit from WishJazz.